Right, as you can see here, we've done a little bit of improvement. We've now got round about the station painted, and the tram line's in. Just goes round in a big loop just now. But what we're going to do is we're going to cover the whole loop up with the carnival. So you'll only see the tram going in through the entrance to the carnival, and the next time you see it again it will come back out. As you can see up here now, we've got part of our town in. We're still busy building it, and to try and disguise the helix, what we've done is we've put the stone effect round here and sort of made it into like a castle wall or a fort wall or something like that, just to try and hide it a little bit. And if you look round behind you, we've not really done much here apart from we've put a lot more in the scrapyard. There's a lot more detail going on. We'll just zoom round and just let you see everything that's been happening, and we'll try and take videos from different angles to let you see down the areas in a different perspective. Just to let you know as well, we are actually hoping to have at least 2 or 3 trams running. We're going to put in the shuttle stop system, so as you can see here there's a waiting room. The tram will stop there, sit for however long we want it to sit, and it will move away again. We're also going to have another waiting area here, so passengers can either get on or off at this point as well. And we'll put another one in the town if they decide to go shopping or whatever they want to do for the day after they've been at the carnival. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our video. We're trying to do as much as we can, but as a lot of you out there will appreciate, what we're doing does take a lot of time, and we are spending just about every weekend on this trying to improve things. So enjoy the video, and we'll hope to get one back on YouTube again soon. Thank you.
Hey guys, just wanted to tell you that we've now got our own Facebook page where we'll be putting up pictures of the layout as it's coming along, and also what we're going to be planning to add to the layout. For example, we've gotten ourselves this. It's a monorail. We'll hopefully be adding that into the carnival once we get the carnival up, and as you can also see we've got a tramway in, so hopefully that will get finished, covered in all the scenery that it needs, and it will look really good.